I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'd like to thank Tammy Powley once again. We're going to be doing the CCC Collab Challenge Contest. Tammy and I are going to be dressing one of our Blythe dolls as Cindy Lou Who. We would ask you once again to score us, to judge us 1 through 10 on the dolls that we make in a contest between the two of us. And then we also extend the opportunity, and we hope you will join in, to dress one of your dolls or set up a Grinch Stole Christmas scene with your dolls and show it in a video on the same day. And that day is December 23rd. It should really be fun. I think a lot of us are looking forward to seeing what everyone does. I know of one other person that's working on a doll with a face up and the whole deal, so that's going to be fun. Thank you for watching. Remember, December 23rd, come judge us for the CCC Collab Contest Challenge. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Tammy, thank you for all this fun. My doll does not have her face up yet, and I'm working on her outfit, but I'm not there yet. Thank you for watching.